I'm excited to tell you about an AI bot that I built for FinOps, and it runs on Azure and Microsoft Teams. In writing my FinOps book, I took the 10 months of research and created one of the largest vector databases for AI. So I call it FinOps GPT, and it can quickly answer all your questions on FinOps. So if you're looking to figure out how to deal with shared costs, if you're looking at how to deal with chargebacks, if you're studying for your FinOps certification exam, everything that you need to know about FinOps GPT is here to help. Now, if you want to take a glance at what I built, let me show you on my desk.
Okay, so we're at my desk right now, and I want to show you what I did. I started off by taking 10 months of the research that I did for writing the Power BI for FinOps book. I took 10 months of the FinOps research and compiled that together. And then I also grabbed the publications from FinOps.org, and then I combined that with the integration of the ChatGPT API and brought that into a vector knowledge database. And that was step number 1. Now, this is step number 2, where that knowledge database, I created a project using Visual Code, and it's for an Azure bot. This is the Visual Code project, and you can actually download a starter sample to get you going. So you can download it from Azure, and it's a Visual Code project where you can actually begin to build your Azure bot. So that was step number 2. Now, as step number 3, this is where you actually go to Azure to actually deploy your Azure bot. So you can see here on the screen is that you can actually take it to Azure. So now you actually have a bot in Azure AI. So it goes from step 1, 2, 3. You got a vector database. You use a Visual Code to create the project, and then you deploy it to Azure, and it becomes that Azure bot. Now, as a 4th step, you publish it to Microsoft Teams. So you can do that with the admin tool capability that you have for Microsoft Teams. So you're going to need to be an admin and have the ability to deploy custom apps to your Microsoft Teams environment. And that's step number 4. So in 4 easy steps, 1, 2, 3, 4, you can deploy it to Microsoft Teams. And this right here is a visual of what it looks like. So you can actually deploy it in multiple ways. This is a way of having that personal app. On the side here is that little side toolbar. I call it FinOps GPT. So if you have any questions on FinOps, if you're studying for the certification exam, this will be your AI FinOps instructor that's going to help you out in Microsoft Teams. Really cool stuff.
So I'm making this available to the first 150 people that join the FinOps Power BI working group. It's going to be one of the many feature benefits a part of the group, and you're going to get a 7-day free trial. So if you feel like FinOps GPT and also plugging into the working group is helpful for you, then I hope to see you in the group.